Hello everyone. So let's talk about data types, like what exactly the data type is. So there are multiple data types available in all the programming languages, including Python even. So we are going to discuss about how these data types are defined in Python and basically how these data types work. So if in case you are from C, C++, Java, .NET, any programming language background, then definitely you have some idea about data types. But those who never worked on any programming languages, might be they will get some insight about data type from this video. That is our primary intention is. Got it? And even those who worked on data types in other languages, they will get to know about how these data types are defined as classes in Python. So there we go. If I say in maths, we define a variable with value as 10. So I hope everyone has idea that A is a variable, 10 is a value, and equal to is operator, correct? So if I define this, there you can see the language which I'm using is Python version 3. And this is the platform which I'm using is Jupyter Notebook. And N means the input which I supplied to the system. And I got a variable in the system named A with the value as 10 in the current case that you can see on my screen, correct? So if I check the type, what is this type? You can see I use type with parenthesis. So usually, if you know about it, parenthesis means when we execute a function, definitely. So type is a function here. What is type? It's a function. If in case I want to check the type of A, you can see for this input, I got an output. And what is this 1 and 2? These are the sequence number. Like this is the first input for system where I declared the variable. And in second input, I try to check the output means what exactly the type of A. That's what I want to get in the output. And I got to know its type is integer. But as I told you, those who know about data type, they will also get some insight about the same. How? If I say print type of A, there we go. You can see int, that means integer, because 10 is an integer value, correct? So data type became integer. How this integer is defined internally? It is defined as a class. So one thing that is clear, everyone here, that integer is one of the data type in Python, which internally defined as a class. But now the question is why we use data type, correct? So I have a basic example with me right away, which I can share with you, and you can get some idea. Whenever we fill, let's say, petrol or diesel in a vehicle, we see there is a running meter which shows you some digits. Do you know behind that digit there is some variable or there is some type, like A is a variable here and 10 is an integer type value, correct? In my current example. Similar to that, if in case you fill petrol, there is some variable in the machine who keeps track on the current number of liters you got and the price for which the total amount or volume dispatched, correct? From the machine, correct? Similar to this, whenever you open a bank account, you get the account ID. Whenever you open a bank account, along with account ID, you also maintain some balance. So for all these fields, whether it is the total number of liters in a petrol or diesel machine, or it's your account ID, or it's your account balance, everywhere we have some data types which allow us to hold the data in that particular storage, whichever type of programming language and storage that company uses. And what's your task? Let's say you're learning Python to become a developer, correct? And a developer helps companies to build their digital solution with the help of programming languages. So like this, I have a lot of exciting examples ready in my other videos as well. If in case you want to get idea about more data types, you can definitely watch other recordings as well. Or you can get in touch with us in our channel. We have all the details mentioned in description. Thanks for watching this, guys. Keep on watching other videos as well. Bye.